Hi, this is Mr. Ranjakino. I'm the programmer of Group 12 and
Hello, I am Bridget Faye P. Mabalot. I am the documenter of Group 12.
I'm Jericho Kabatan from Group 12.
the app is about booking a service which is pasabay. In Tagalog is magpapasabay ka ng item or you want to book an item na ipapasabay mo from someone. So yun. So ang gusto namin na ma-achieve sa aming app na to is matulungan yung mga nagbi-business ng pasabay, which is mostly ginagamit ang other social media platform. So ang goal ng app is makatulong and yon mapadali ang buhay ng mga nagpapasabay. And let's continue to our presentation. So yun guys, this is a quick preview for our pasabay app. So let's start. So first guys, click the app logo. Then quick splash screen. Then we just click the get started. Then guys, fill up lang tayo. Lagay natin Banji. Okay, no? Contact number 0987654321. And then Villasis. Fill up lang tayo guys. Email gmail.com. Then password, let's try QWERTY. Okay. Ayun. Nice. Try natin ulit mag-login. gmail.com. So try natin QWERTY. So hindi gagana. So meron siyang validation. So let's try to log in. So yon, meron tayong sample dito guys. Pero first guys, dito muna tayo. Profile. So yon, bali guys, fix lang tong ating profile. So yun. So yan, mapifetch guys dito yung ating information, name. This is a sample service. So feedback guys, hindi ko pa nagawan to ng function. So bali dito na lang tayo mag-start sa about us. Yan. So let's try log out mamaya. Yan. So let's try to add na lang guys ng item. So this is magpo-post ka ng ibubook ng people. So sample lang to guys, para lang meron tayong walkthrough kung paano yung paano nag-work yung app. So let's try title ube. So price ay 20 pesos. Quantity is 2. Tapos sabihin natin Ordaneta. City galing. Then shipping fee around 2. Siguro, then 2 Villasis. Pick up time 2 PM. May ba ngayon? So June 20. Description jam. Yan. So guys, balik fix lang ang ating ating logo. Pictures. So nag-add siya guys. Then let's try to sample lang to. So let's try to book it. So this is the way to contact your seller. So click lang mo yung button. So makaka-copy mo yung number. So yun, nakalagay doon copied number. Pwede mo siyang i-contact through phone call. Proceed to book. So, yan, i-review mo dyan. Shipping fees 2, 20 pesos yung cost kasi 20 times 2, 40 cost. Total cost, 42. So, nag-book na siya. Service book. Okay, mariredirect tayo dito sa homepage. So, let's try to check the cart. Yan, so andyan na siya. Check din natin dito sa notification. Yan, may lalabas dyan na service book successfully. Okay, yan, pwede mo din siyang i-view. Yan, di ba? Ito na yung ano mo, yung na-book mong service. So, let's try to copy again. Right there, lumabas. Let's try to complete. I should mark this service as complete. Okay, kapag na-receive na yung item, so we got redirected to yan, sa cart. Then, back na tayo sa ano. So, pwede din home. Click home. Babalik yan lang sa home. So, mare-refresh lang siya. So, bali guys, di pa functional yung ating search. Yan. Okay, let's try to log out, guys. And of course, I don't want to log out. And yes. Yun. So, mariredirect na lang ulit. Bali, hindi gumagana dito, guys, yung forgot password. Pero gumagana ang sign in, sign up. So, yan. Pwede ka ulit mag-add. Yun lang. Bali, ma-help. Thank you. The question is, what was the most challenging part of the project? Lahat naman is mahirap, and challenging part talaga is the debugging part. Also, yung mag-program na din. Kasi hindi naman natin gamay ang programming. Then, naitawid naman ng konti. The debugging talaga. Mostly the debugging. Also the programming, of course. Second question. Can you briefly discuss Android development and your experience with it? So yun, medyo mabigat siya sa PC. And mag-develop ng app is very tricky. As a programmer, I'd like to front end mostly. Front end is the best experience in Android development, because designing is like my forte, sabi nga nila. So yun, masaya siya. Masaya naman. Maraming puyat. Maraming kape. Okay naman. Then, masaya. Maraming natutunan. Madaming sakit na ulo. Maraming masayang experience din na syempre sa part na debug natin yung isang code is very very ang gaan lang sa loob. So yun lang. Masaya.
What makes your app unique compared to similar applications? Pasabay is easy to use, providing smooth and simple experience from start to finish. We offer fast booking so you can secure whatever you need without any delays. Whether you're looking for something special or you're just browsing, Pasabay makes booking more convenient and enjoyable. We also provide exclusive offers and peace of mind, knowing that your purchases are handled with care.
Does your app's design meets user needs? Yes. The Pasabay app we made is for people who can go to faraway places to buy some delicacy food. For example, you can't go to Baguio and you want to buy something from Baguio. For example, you want strawberries from Baguio or La Trinidad Benguet. Just open the app, but all we need to log in or sign up to the app, and you can decide which option you choose, and there's a Google login, and it's up to you guys. And then you will automatically go to homepage, then just click what you want to Pasabay app, and then you can message the Pasabay seller, and then you decide where your meeting place at. If you want, you can be also a Pasabay seller.
So this is how Pasabay works. You can just simply book your items, connect with sellers, and track your bookings. Why Pasabay? With Pasabay, users can book items effortlessly, connect with trusted sellers, and enjoy a seamless shopping experience. Pasabay simplifies transactions, ensuring convenience, reliability, and efficiency. It's booking made easier. Download the app and start booking today.